Good afternoon, students. This is your computer teacher Devdip sir, and I'm back with a new lesson for you all. So today we will be discussing about Introduction to Flash. Now hold on a second. Why have we skipped right to chapter 8? It is due to some information that is said or shared by that of the Army Welfare Education Society. So, as per the latest circular of AWS, the Army Welfare Education Society, which is the parent body of all Army schools, have decided to implement reduced curriculum forwarded to the coronavirus pandemic. Okay, so due to that, you will now have reduction in the syllabus for all subjects, and for computer, you can see the syllabus mentioned below. Please mark these chapters in your book. That also means the chapter that has come in your PT 1 and 2 will not be coming in your further exams. Okay, so only the chapter that will be repeated will be lesson 1, that is computer system. Alright, now Flash. Those of you who don't know about Flash is an software basically with the help of which we can create multimedia tools related to animation. Okay, so we can create multimedia tools pertaining to that of animation with the help of Flash. Okay, now so let us discuss about Flash in detail. Flash is a multimedia software specifically designed for creating vector graphics. What is vector graphics? Miniature graphics. So first important word, vector graphics. Okay, vector graphics, what is it known as? Small scale graphics. So any form of small scale graphics are known as vector graphics. Okay, now Flash is also used for making video over internet. You can insert an image and add animation. So basically you can see we can create a video, we can create an animation with the help of Flash. Okay, now Flash Player plugin allows users to view Flash in their browsers. Okay, so you need Adobe Flash Player installed in order to see videos that are having the Flash Player plugins. Okay, like FLB, MP4V, WebIM. These formats need Flash. Okay, so what are the features of Flash? Okay, create illustrations and other artwork. Flash has many drawing tools with the help of which we can create vector graphics, which are composed of line, curves and polygons. So we can make any form of drawing, 3D and 2D drawings with the help of Flash. Okay, working with symbols and instances. Okay, we can also work with symbols or objects. These objects can be graphics, buttons, movie clips and sound. So we can animate or with the help of graphics, with the help of objects, okay, icons, everything. We can even create animations using frame by frame or motion tweening method, that is on FRPS scale, that is frames per second scale. Animation can be created. Okay, layers are the keys to work with graphic objects and animation. You can draw, erase, add or remove instance or one layer over another. Now first of all, what is a layer? A layer is entity of graphic. So suppose if you draw, I'm just showing you, like suppose this picture, this 8 is a layer, this tree is over here is a layer, the grass over here is a layer. So layer means different components of graphics used. Okay, so that's a layer. So similarly with the help of Flash we can add different forms of layer. Now how we can start Flash? Okay, let us see the step. Click on the start button to open the start menu. So first things first, click on the start button, click on the start menu and then click on Adobe Flash Professional CC. So this is the software that you're gonna use, Adobe Flash Professional CC. Okay, and this will be a practical oriented chapter, so we will deal with the practicals too of this. Flash Professional CC opens with a welcome screen in front of you. So whenever we do Flash, it will open with a welcome screen. Okay, now how we can, this was the step. So how we can open it? Start and click on Adobe Flash Professional CC. There will be already an icon dedicated. You don't have to go to any other directory to access. Now for creating a new Flash file, click on File or click on New. So once the Flash player opens, click on File and then New. You can also use the shortcut, that is Control plus N. So Control plus N, the shortcut, is used also to create a new Flash file. Okay. Now the moment the new file will appear, the new document dialog box will appear, and in this you will have a default ActionScript 3.0. What is ActionScript 3.0? It is the default Flash playing script. With the help of this script, you can create any Flash animation or vector graphics. Okay, so by default it will be ActionScript 3.0. Alright, that is the script they have created. You can create your own scripts also, and then give the description of the script, any description. Suppose if you create a say movie, name is movie, you can give description and then click on OK, and the blank document will be created. Okay, so what are the steps to create a Flash file? File new, use the shortcut key, then give the new name of the document. Like it was given an ActionScript, you can give a new file name as movie and then click OK to create your file. So I hope you have understood today's class. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask your questions in the WhatsApp group of your class. Till then, bye bye and have a nice day.